In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix authorization error on Google Drive. So if you're trying to link any document or you're trying to link any file on Google Drive, but you are getting this authorization error, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. In the first method, you want to ensure that you are not using any VPN or proxy app, as this must be the reason you are getting this. However, if this is not the case, then you want to troubleshoot Google Drive. To troubleshoot Google Drive app, just go to Settings. And from settings, look for apps. Under apps, go for manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your smartphone. From the list, search for Drive. Here, if you tap on it, now go to force stop app and okay, and then clear data and clear cache. Okay, then clear all data. Once you're done, restart your smartphone and turn on your internet connection, and now you should be able to use Google Drive. However, should this still not work, then most likely Google Drive has encountered a server error. For that, you need to wait for some few minutes and try using or opening your Google Drive, and that should fix your problem. However, should you still find an issue with it, then check if we have any update for the app either through Google Play Store or App Store and update your app to the latest version. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.